Hey guys, it's Layla. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing a wash and go. I haven't done a wash and go on my whole head since last year, around this time last year actually, maybe like in February last year. I did a wash and go. I have a video, I'll link it there. My hair's freshly cut and I feel like wash and goes look great on freshly cut hair. And then also, like, I just want a wash and go look tonight. I'm going out and I want a wash and go look. So I'm gonna use Aunt Jackie's flaxseed recipe don't shrink curling gel. And I've had this product for a while. I've been using it for a while. As you can see, like, it's almost done. So the product is not new to me. However, I haven't used it as or for a wash and go on my whole head, and I'm going to use it with the Aunt Jackie's Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner. I feel like the two work really well together. I also have my whipped shea butter on hand, which is here. And yeah, if you guys haven't checked out my online store, okay, Wild Seed Botanicals, do go ahead and check it out. Try some products, read some reviews. Yeah, anywho, let's jump right in. My hair's freshly washed, and I usually like to do my wash and goes on wet hair, as wet as possible in the shower. However, I do find that this Aunt Jackie's product works really well if my hair is just like not dripping wet but not dry, and not just damp, like a little bit more than damp but just not dripping. So that's why I have this spray bottle, and I do find that this actually saturates my hair quite well and gets it wet enough, if that makes sense. So yeah, we're gonna jump into it.
I keep your face in my mind, deep inside. Never forget this image. You're worth it. I don't know what to call this, but it's something else. Now's the time. Count to 5. Picture you here in my arms, and if we fall, don't be scared. You hear me right now, with me right now.
Yeah. Talk to me. Yo, she's designed for me. Kind-hearted, even thinks mindfully. Turns heads everywhere she goes, but not a person that everybody knows. Yeah, perfect. I know she's worth it. Beautiful to the naked eye, but I get to see deeper than her surface.
She's so
Deserving. Soulmates don't carry no burdens. Nah, that's for certain. They understand your goals and purpose. Emerging. Our love is emerging. Trust me. What happened in our past is in our past, so that means the future is not determined. All that matters is
you here with me right now, with me right now. Hey, hey.
wants to be tamed. She just wants my last name. We've passed the honeymoon phase. We're like pensioners in old age. Hey, trust this feeling's insane. I can't get her off of my brain. She said, Mikey, don't you ever leave. I said, baby, I'm here to stay. Hey, I don't wanna rush, let's slow it up. Feeling kinda tipsy, I'm drunk in love. Kiss and a hug, squeeze on a bum. Ooh, I know you like that a lot. She knows the deal, she knows what's up.
Hey guys, so I'm back and it's been about 4 to 5 hours, I want to say, and my hair's not 100% dry. It's about 80% dry. My roots are still damp, especially in the back, but the majority of everything that is hanging is in good nick. and I love it. It's so tiny, like in terms of lengthwise, but I think it looks so cute. I love it. It just takes me back to how my hair used to be at a stage that I really appreciated a lot. So I think it looks great. The wash and go worked out really nicely. Love, love, love the Aunt Jackie's. I mean, I kind of thought I would because I've used it in little bits here and there, but as a whole, all over my head, I really like it. I feel like tomorrow's hair is going to be so nice and big, and I'm so excited. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys like the movement that it has already, considering like all the roots are not dry. But yeah, look at my definition. So yes, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, I wouldn't really call it a tutorial. I just wanted to come in here and show you guys me doing a wash and go on my new haircut. I'm a little bit annoyed because this side has dried more than this side, so it's a little bit higher than this side. But I'm hoping by the time, you know, I get to dinner and everything else, it's all gonna match up. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.